I'm Taylor Gabriel for the Atlanta Falcons.
Ryan, pressure up the middle, throws, he's got a man wide open, and he connects. It's Taylor Gabriel, off to the races, touchdown!
They have the best stem cells. As a high-end athlete, you don't want to go to Mexico or things like that.
Right.
Try to put those stem cells in your body.
They get rid of it quickly, come near side, Gabriel, look at the cuts and the speed, Gabriel, still going, touchdown!
You have to use natural ointments, natural things, because that's what makes you. That's what I feel personally, that it helps me to become the best player, the best person I can be, to stay on the football field. And the whole experience, it was very comfortable. Nothing was outside of what you would think of getting brand new cells into your body. My agent, good friend of mine, he's excited about the stem cells and the whole process and the movement that this has going, and it's taken over. My agency was researching stem cells, and he was so excited for me and my process of getting my body 100%. He also booked an appointment